All right. I want to respond to this. And he said, so these deities you mention cannot fight politicians protected by Christianity? The truth is this. Why can't Jesus Christ and Islam and Prophet Muhammad, why can't they just fight these politicians? Is it that the politicians are bribing Christ by going to the church and giving their tithe and offering? You see, more than 95% of the politicians, they serve the same deities. They come to meet them for their blessings, for them to go and rule. This is the same thing I kept saying. As long as a nation, we fail to embed and put into ourselves or seek true spiritual insight, we will always suffer. This is the natural way of things on earth. If you are not spiritual, you are the food for the ones that are spiritual. Spirituality does not understand good or bad. You only understand positioning, strategy. You see, after you become politician, see how your life they end now. I mean, we said they will talk. I went online and I saw the video of the former governor of Delta State, Oduaga, looking very lean. And people say, so after all the money, see where you did. Look at that. This life is nothing. No, it is not the karma that is happening to Oduaga. Now they will not get sense. No, you think say because say he chop, say he chop Nigerian money. You say because the politician he arrest your brother, he's an evil person. You think say Nigerian politicians are bad. No. Now you never get sense. Even the righteous person you think you are putting into office, before you go there for 2 years, you go know say powers, they pass power. The only thing you can do is individually, what can you offer yourself? Number one. And then collectively, who can we put there that we have at least good mind towards us? The only person when we know is what? Yaradua. He lasts for office. He not last. The reason why you think say that rich man they suffer today, now waiting in they do, now they happen to, and God they punish her. God not they punish anybody. Deities not they punish anybody. When you don't position yourself where the person when get power pass you, when no pass you go punish you. That's just the basic truth. Now me get money, now me get power. I oppress John, I oppress King, I oppress Zishuku. What it go happen? John is angry with me. You not go talk him. You dey angry with me. You not go talk him. You not go talk him. A day we get to a point that John will come get to a level where spiritually don't pass me. What he go do? He go strike me. What will go happen? Stroke go come and say, "I will not be the evil." I have met somebody that is now way more powerful than me. You ask yourself, there are billionaires today we have on earth today that are up to 80, 90 years. Why they never suffer? Because they know when they were still young, they already planned themselves saying, in my old age will be my weakest point. So they set out strategies. Money we have saved somewhere to pay the younger men that will protect them, to pay the shrines that will protect them. They've already established shrines and covenants, and they've set their time. Do you know that you can literally set the time you will die? You can set it. Nothing will happen to you. Arsenal will kill you. No kidnapping. Nothing will happen to you. I want to say this. If Nigeria is a Christian nation and Islam nation, why have not the God of Islam saved Nigeria from the dying children and the kidnapping and the banditry happening in the north? Why has Christianity just saved the western and the southern Nigeria? There are more churches in Onitsha than anywhere you can find out in this Nigeria. But here and there you see crime pass. There are more churches in Delta State, but every time there is kidnapping and the rest of. You ask yourself, what is really wrong? What is wrong is the mentality that you think somebody is created to become the savior of Nigeria. The people that are supposed to save this Nigeria is our collective self. And that is why the only way we can have the actual brain to regain our nation back is what? Education. The reason why I support Peter Obi, I like Peter Obi movement, is because he is ardent His ardent, consistent campaign for informed people, for an informed nation. An informed nation is a liberated nation. A nation void of intelligence and wisdom and knowledge. We always suffer the consequences that we are already suffering today. And I will still come my comment section insult me. Like, I literally see men that are very old, almost 60 years, insulting me on my comment section. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Look at me. I'm just 38. I'm not 30. I'm 37, going 38, October 24. Are you not ashamed that as young as I am, look at all I have got, and I'm still publicly saying, call your security men, both financial people. Let them come and screen how I got my money. They will be surprised that the money now 5,000 naira buy block, 50,000 naira buy cement, small, now it will be like this. When I can still teach you that some of you think becoming a millionaire is overnight. You know, listen, as small. When I was saving money since 2022, what were you doing? When they will screen, they will see where my money come from. Last night you are sleeping, Amazon is paying me your debt. Part of the money enter my PayPal, I transfer to this. Not be you tell me how to transfer. I transfer money from my where I don't call the name of the company because we are building our own, we are setting our own. While you were sleeping, I'm having scheduled meeting with 3 different businesses. Yes. Common Meat is there. I had a meeting with Common Meat yesterday. We are discussing. My programmer is there. I have money to pay. I have designing system to help your business grow, to help your life grow. Not only financially, but also spiritually. We spend millions of naira to build the WhatsApp app. How many of you have it? Plenty. We have a lot of subscribers. There's not paid. Not paid. Not paid. And the day I made it free for people to have access to the spiritual book, so nobody started opening the app again. But when it was paid, everybody wants to open to know when it's, what can I still get? But when I made it free, nobody wants to pay again. I have to relock it again, go to pay 10,000 to have access for it per month. I will still keep talking. When you embrace spirituality without sense, you cannot get it. Deities do not know you. Now make your ancestor never bless you. My ancestor will bless me. What did they happen to your own? Now so your own poorish. Sir, help me. Somebody chatted me from the US and he wants to talk to me. He says, sir, do you get the message? Sir, he just say, is it Lord Uzih? I say yes. I want to have a discussion with you. It's very, very urgent. And I check my bank account and I check his name. I did not see any money landed in my account. I did not see any time that he sent me like 15 million to support the project. He's not a partner in any of my business. He didn't even send money to say, let's buy drink. Are you mad? You get sense? These are the same people that want change in Nigeria. You don't have respect. You don't have respect for struggle. You don't honor people that... Do you think it's easy to buy a block? I literally worship people that can even build a self-contained. We don't have respect. We don't have respect for people who don't struggle to get to where they are. If you say it's easy, become Pelana. It's easy to make money. It's easy to create content. If it's easy, become Kataifena. Now, person when they come from lowland, now they see where to appreciate it. You might think Pella does not understand, but a lot of them, they know. Some of them not go get sense, so they not go get sense. Say, now providence. Not just the work alone. The hands of the gods will be there. One ancestral covenant will say, all you just need to do is carry camera, let people know you. They call it Itu. Let people know you and insult you. When Pella started, what did they do? They insult Amabi. Now the insult, you are not funny. Today he's rich. Itu. He's a Yoruba person. No, show me an Igbo person when they laugh with, it can become success. Why we say more than 90% of Yoruba people that are rich doing entertainment, the people that started from, you can't even tell. A lot of them that are in the Igbo that are doing entertainment, they never change. The one when they chop goat hair, raw goat hair, what is this thing? What is it? What is there behind your back? Who be your baba? Who won't follow deity talk, say, I beg, give her money, go come back. Now, Pella, when person hug, use and rub hair, he collect her back, put her for his head back. Eh? I know say Igbo people, they go attack me for this one. Your owner to know how to want to scheme to get money, while Yoruba man, they enter inside bush for 7 years, you know, come out. You, they jump from one store to another, they scam your boss. Your boss go say, come and handle this store. You they said they try to push customer for corner. I've lived in Igbo land for more than 5 years, almost 6 years. I lived in Yoruba land for 6 years. I will tell you, if you cannot make it in Yoruba land, you can never make it anywhere in this life. I'm telling you, you can't even make it in London. If you cannot make it in Yoruba land, you cannot make it anywhere. If you cannot make it in Lagos and see the dividend, when I came to Lagos, I discovered a spirituality. Anything you make in Lagos, end in Lagos. I join people when change them. Some of Nana cannot build house. Check your life from 2021 to this year. People cannot collect money from Lagos. Now me do am. Go do your consultation. I summon Oloku. I summon Shango. Yes, more than 17 deities in that Badore Canal going to the mainland. I mean, my wife is a living witness. I knew what I passed through. People abandoned me. They were coming to my house to hit a powerful pastor that own. I go call the name of the church now, redeem. I don't call the person. He come meet me say, now we get Lagos. Now we get Ogun State. Now we get Osun State. Who are you? I say, except not be me. In 3 years, people will literally make money in Lagos and take the money home and build. Check 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. What I build here in Lagos, if I want to replicate it in my home, I'll replicate it. What have you done home? I have more than half an acre that I'm building something there. I don't need to talk. Now my partner forced me to. I say, yeah. I say, Avia and there I come from. Avia not get enough land for me to build what I want to build. They're not going to give me. I'm going to a place where there is land. I call Iyede. I call Emevo. Emevo, they gave me 3 plots of land. They say, no, you're not going to build for Emevo. My mother, Justina, before they, now he go online. Now he go to the village. We recorded the whole. Yes, ask my wife. Long acre of land. I tell me, say, this land is not your land. My mommy was angry. Send the money. I say, no. You know, if we reach 2 days, they say the person who said the land for us. Now, all those prodigal sons, when will I want to do something? Before lost the land. The idea was to build an innovation and a spiritual center that will rival anywhere in the world. I may not be able, which I can. The gods can make that happen. To build something way bigger than what Sadhguru have built in India. Way bigger than what Sadhguru have built. That when you come there, white people, when they come, they worship your ancestors. What do you want to talk? What do you know? You want to remove person when trek 3 hours. Old man went trek 3 hours to become your governor. Now you want to remove from office. Which trek you trek? Yes, a governor, a big respected politician in Nigeria, trekked 3 hours to a place that the person, when they heard the place, will call me for phone, say, we are doing ritual. We are sending you money for drink. As small as I am. An old woman that will call me, my pikin, how you dey? We won't do ritual. My pikin go send you money. They go send 100,000, send 200,000. Now, big person, trek go in 2023. 2023 trek. I told my wife, say, what? I say, yes. I'll show you picture. Moto, no, they get there. But now, when no, big man, I know where they talk. I don't need to talk. I don't need to expose them, but this is it. You will drive motor with your escort and I go stop for them. Then there are specialized escorts that will not